game, sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright, this is Curls to Wave.
Curls to Wave, and is it even gonna wave up? I want to say one thing and one thing only. If you say Life for Part 2, if you say there's another Part 2 coming, I'm not even gonna watch the results. Alright, this is gonna be the only video. I don't care about the results if you say Part 2. But I see the curls coming in. I'm getting my hopes up now. You better not say Life for Part 2, because if you do, we're gonna have a problem.
Alright, now just
is that a comb? If that's a comb, you're doing it wrong. That's a comb or a little brush.
Brush it for like 10 minutes or so. Just grab me one of these.
You look like Rock Lee with that little, feel me? Nah, his waves, he probably gonna have like 2 waves in there. Alright, so we almost done.
Alright, now I'm gonna wait a few hours and come back with the results.
Bro, I'm about to, oh wow, I was about to push the crap out of this dude through the phone, bro. Let me see the unwrap. Oh, okay, nice. Hey man, this dude name is Wave Poppy, man. He should change his name to Lather King Poppy. Like, look at that lather. Do you see the lather? Do you hear it? Do you hear? Listen, bruh, that's crazy. Look at that lather. Look, yo, that's tough. Hey, Cruz, what up? Oh yeah, that's definitely a kid, Cruz. That's definitely a kid right there. But
he has a kid, but let's not take away from the fact that he worked hard to get
exactly. Them waves didn't come with that kit. The shine and texture came from the kit. Yeah, it's a kit. I ain't gonna hate dude, but it's definitely. How you gonna let somebody else brush your waves? You better. That's what you get. That's what you get. You should never let nobody else brush your waves, dude. Oh, I did a video on this dude already. Talking about something he ain't have waves for 5 months. Bro, if you gonna keep getting your waves back by doing wash and stops, why you don't just keep them? You feel me? Just keep the waves, man. Stop letting your hair grow out, man. Forget that nappy hair jump, man. Waves, that's where it's at. 360 waves, 720, whatever waves you got, that's where it's at, man. Get you some designer do-rags, link in my bio. Feel me? 26 King Wavy, you feel me? Just stick to the waves, bro. Stop letting your junk grow out. Seriously. Oh, he did everything in one part this time. Bro, stick to the waves, bro. You spinning. You got a couple forks. You could break them junks. Stop letting your junk go out, bro. This your last time. Stop doing that. Just stay there. All right, stay there. Don't do nothing else. You spinning, but you gotta fix them forks, buddy. There's supposed to be a wave check, but this dude's showing everything but his waves. Like, bro, I don't care about your chain. Let me see them waves, bro. You better be spinning. Bro, you showing your face. Put your head down. This is an unfamiliar face on TikTok. And we wearing the same do-rags. You better be spinning. If you wearing that do-rag, you better be spinning. Alright. Oh, okay.
Alright, this is Curls to Wave.
Curls to Wave in 60 seconds. Let me tell you how this gonna go down. So he looked like a medium texture wave. I said waver. Medium texture hair. So his waves are probably gonna be.
Alright, step 2.
They gonna be a little wide. Definitely gonna be in there. Alright. Cause I already see the curls. Waves just laid down curls.
Get a brush.
What kind of brush you using, bro? Why you ain't just use a regular brush? But yeah, back to what I was saying. They're definitely gonna be in there.
Brushing for like a few minutes, and then
yeah, you see that? You see that? Curls to waves. Curls just lay down. I mean, waves to just lay down curls. Put the do-rag on.
And just put it on.
And all you gotta do is rinse it out and let it dry. And then once you unrag, yo, it's gonna be busting.
Alright, now I'm gonna wait a few hours and come back with the results.
Watch this. Bro, that's tough. That's crazy. I could already tell he already had waves. Cause I could see them in there still. They still in there. So you ain't about to trick me. Bro, I told you they was already in there. That does look satisfying though. But he only got like 5 waves in there though. You got a full 360 or you just got a 180, bro? Cause I'm only seeing the top. I'm gonna see the sides in the back. Yeah, he only got 180s because he only burst in the top. Do-rag. Get your designer do-rags, man. Link in my bio. Link in my bio, you feel me? Okay, rinse that off. Let me see the unrag, yo. Yeah, man, I already know it. But you got a... Oh, he got a full 360. Okay, I ain't know that. That Kobe... How to wash your waves. Comb out your hair. I mean, you don't really need to comb out your hair. Wet your hair? Yeah, you definitely need to wet it. Apply your shampoo. Okay, you could apply some more water. That's dope. That's dope. Apply some more water. Alright, get your detangling shower brush. That's what's up. Okay, he knows what he's doing. Use a massage brush or untangle. Yeah, detangling shower brush. Okay, brush that in. Brush that in. Apply more shit. Okay. Okay, you can spray some more water in there too if you... Okay. Alright, now let me see that lather. Let me see that lather. If your lather not right... Oh, come on, dude. Where's the lather? That's some bull. That's some bull, bro. Come on, what are you doing? He gonna say like for part... Oh, what happened to the waves, bro? What are you doing? Okay. Oh, look at that. Hey, I've said this a couple of times before. If you want maximum lay, use a plastic bag. And right after the plastic bag, you could double compress. All right. Plastic bag is really great. It takes kinetic energy and it matches great with your hair and it actually lays it down. Alright, so if you guys want your hair to be laid to the guards, you feel me? Plastic bag is the way to go. It's gonna lay your hair down right. You're welcome. Okay, Sir Cruz with the 720 waves. He don't even need a shape up, man. He can't shape that up. Well, you gonna mess the waves up. All he gotta do is shape the sides up, looking clean. Okay, Sir Bruce. Okay. I see. Braids to waves. I ain't never seen nothing like that before. Chill, you definitely not about to go from braids to waves. I mean, okay. I take that back. It looks possible. Well, I want to see how... Oh, snap, okay. Who is this? This Kiss the Wave, right? Hey, man, y'all go follow Kiss the Wave. He just came on TikTok with it. From braids to waves. Look at that lather. Oh, man. Dang. Where do you find lather like this? Sheesh. Oh, excuse me? Braids to waves. That's possible. He just did it. Braids to waves. Forget curls to waves. Braids to waves. That's the new wave. Braids to waves. 2 swimming best 540s on TikTok. I don't know about that, buddy. I mean, you definitely spinning, but I don't know about the best on TikTok.